In this video, I'll take you on a train ride from Andong to Gyeongju City, and then I'll take you on a walking tour of the amazing temples in Bulguksa. Hello, I'm Phil Ernest, and this is the Bulguksa Temple. This is the Andong train station here, where you will catch a train. We're going to go into a little city about 1 hour away from Andong on the train. So we came here from Seoul by bus, and now we're leaving on train. And this is what it looks like. It's about a 1 hour ride for the city that we'll be going to. So train should be here very shortly. Here's one of the things that I learned. See these numbers here? This is the train car number. It'll be on your ticket that you want to get on. So whenever they say the platform and everyone's assigned a seat, so this is car number 3 and 4 that'll be at this track right here. And on the ticket, they have these little air-conditioned rooms also where you can wait while your train is coming. So that's kind of really neat and convenient. And then right next door is also the bus station. So you got the buses, you got the trains. So transportation here in Andong is really convenient. It runs smoothly on time. The train's supposed to be here at 9:36. It's now 9:27. Let me show you the bus ticket here. I mean the train ticket. So this says it, this is kind of neat. It says the car number 4 right here, and then it gives you the seat number where you'll be on that car. And then your time of departure is there listed as well, with the train number of the train and the arrival time. So all information given, really good transportation. So check this out. It's now 9:32 and the 9:36 train is right on time, early for that matter. Here it comes, approaching slowly. So one last look at Andong as we leave the city. So now I'm going to show you just inside what this train looks like. Pretty nice. They have overhead bins to put your stuff in. As you saw, the train moves pretty good, and here's what it looks like from the inside. Nice, roomy, spacious, have a room. And this is a 1 hour commute from Andong. So this is what the temple looks like when you first start to walk up to it. They have a ticket office there, however they did not charge for entrance. And then just a few steps from the tree, find this pond here. Look at this, all these little lilies inside here. So it's a rainy day today. You got the bamboos surrounding this area, and then all these little lilies inside the pond area. It looks very much like a Japanese style of a garden. Here's another view of the pond from this area here. Now we're going over a little bridge area. And this is a World UNESCO Heritage Site, one of the most recommended places to see in this city. It's about a 1 hour bus ride from the main city to get here. This is a little bit one of the further places to see in the area, but like I said, one of the most recommended. And as we enter into the gates, we see these 4 guys, 2 here on this side, and then 2 over here on this side, and continue our walk through this little area. So now we're going to start to get to some temple areas here. They got little souvenir stands here, but we're heading on over to see the first real temple in this place. So just so you know, this temple was made in the mid-8th century. It's that old. It was repaired like in 1919, and then they went through some more renovations in 1972. So let's see how we can get up there. I see some people over there. So how can I get in this place? Meanwhile, looking at the temple gardens right over here, back in front of it. As I'm making my way to the entrance, I see more little areas of souvenir shops here. So let's go up these stairs and see if this is where I can enter from. Yep, this is it. So This is the start of being inside this temple here. Let's take a look around. Good thing we have a little walking area with no worry of getting wet from the rain that's falling. And here's it. So I'm gonna walk up this way now and check it out. Let's go see. Rub the golden pig for good luck. You can see many people have rubbed it. See how smooth down it is on this side. And head on up into the temple area. See what it's like. Oh, there's a nice Buddha here. No cameras, it says. We'll see the Buddha from here. See what this is like. Steps ahead. Okay. Ah, colorful little area here. Plants, more pagodas. If you're enjoying this video and finding it informative, please give it a thumbs up. And if you would like to receive more of this informative content, please subscribe to the channel. Here's a big drum right here. And then another little temple to enter in there. Let's get this kind of angle over here. Oh. This is kind of neat. They got some pagodas here and a pagoda over there. And then in the middle walkway, you can walk on over to the temple area. Let's see. See the colors above, how pretty this looks. There's a big side view of the Buddha. Here's a front view of the Buddha. Okay, so right behind this temple, there's another one. So let's walk over here and check this out. Nice colorful lanterns above. Look at that. Really neat. And let's see if they allow cameras. Photo shoot prohibited. So no photography in here as well. Guess you can get in, take the shoes off and walk around in there. This is still really neat here. Really like these lanterns, how they got that all really neat arranged. And so right around the corner from this temple here, we walk this way and right behind it there's something else pretty neat to see. Look at this. Wow. Nicely manicured area with the shrubs. Let's go see what this is like over here. And more lanterns above. And another Buddha with no cameras allowed. Wow. And right up the steps, we find another temple. Here's the back of this one where we have already been. Check out the roofs of these temples here. Really neat. Let's go here and look at this one. Oh, a different type of Buddha. This is the hall that this is. The big gong they have here. Let's check this out. Pretty nice. Right here, great big bell. Says keep out, but let me get on these steps here so I can take a better look at it. Look at that. Nice. Big Korean bell here. And the pretty colorful gates here as well. Look at this. If you would like to see my other videos on South Korea, please click on the link now. Thank you so much for watching.